Choo choo, here comes the alphabet train, rolling down the track again and again. Letters are ready, come and see. Learning is fun with ABC. Choo choo choo, the ABC train. Sing with me, let's sing again. Clap your hands and say each sound. Alphabet fun is all around. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bowl that we love to tread. C is for cat that says meow meow. A, B, C, let's say them now. Choo choo choo, the ABC train. Learning letters is so much fun. Jump up high and touch the sky. Wave hello as we pass by. D is for dog that likes to play. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims so free. D, E, F, sing along with me. Puff, 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 the engine's strong. Ding, 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 sing the letter song. Slow then fast, hear the sound. Letters rolling all around. G is for goat that says ba, ba. H is for hen that says cluck, cluck, ha. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. G-H-I, stomp your feet. Choo, 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 the ABC train. Learning letters again and again. Spin around and touch the ground. Alphabet joy is what we found. J is for jug, K is for kite. L is for lion, roaring with might. M is for monkey, swinging high. J, K, L, M, give a big hi. Choo choo, the alphabet train. We'll ride again, yes again. Say goodbye.